Hey folks, quick side project update. If you're into vintage computers, retro PC gaming, or just love the golden era of Windows 98 and early 3D graphics, you're going to want to see this. Now look, emulating Win98 with real 3D acceleration has always been a bit of a nightmare. Modern VMs just don't support it. No drivers, no tools, nothing. You're left with a 2D slideshow and broken audio, but there is a way, a custom build of QEMU with 3D pass-through support that actually works if you can build it, but that's the catch. Most people can't. You have to compile QEMU from scratch, build the wrapper DLLs for Glide OpenGL DirectX, track down all the old Win98 drivers and fight with configuration files. It's a mess. I've done it. It's not for the faint of heart, and definitely not plug and play, so I fixed that. What I've put together is a complete plug-and-play Win98 SE emulator package ready to run on Windows 10 and 11. No compiling, no weird dependencies. Just follow the included install.txt, which walks you through enabling Hyper-V and installing Git. Once that's done, you copy-paste one line into Git Bash and bam, and a Windows 98 second edition boots in seconds, fully accelerated. I'm talking smooth, fast, like actually usable. And this isn't just booting the desktop. This thing runs 3D games at over 100 FPS, even on an older i7 and low-end GPU. Win98 sees it as a top-tier card from back in the day. No gimmicks, no hacks. Just raw, clean emulation with serious punch. I used to recommend a VirtualBox setup that relied on an old driver exploit, but it only worked on Windows 7 and only with certain NVIDIA cards. Total pain. This new method, it's the simplest, cleanest, most compatible way to get Win98 gaming off the ground today. If you followed the instructions, you'll be up and running in no time. And once you see that a desktop fly in with full 3D acceleration, you'll know exactly why I put this together.